Today, we're diving into the ASRock H670M-ITX Mini-ITX Motherboard, a powerhouse of compatibility and performance. Designed for 13th Gen and 12th Gen Intel Core processors, this board packs a punch with its LGA 1700 CPU socket. The 8-phase Dr. MOS power design ensures stable and efficient power delivery, ideal for demanding tasks and gaming marathons. One of the standout features of this motherboard is its support for DDR4 RAM up to 5000 MHz, OC. Whether you're a casual user or a hardcore gamer, having this level of memory support can significantly enhance your system's performance. Plus, with one PCIe 5.0x16 slot, you have plenty of room for expansion, allowing you to customize your setup to suit your needs perfectly. When it comes to connectivity, the ASRock H670M-ITX doesn't disappoint. With HDMI and DisplayPort options for graphics output, you can enjoy high-quality visuals without compromise. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on creative projects, this motherboard delivers the performance you need. In terms of build quality, ASRock has once again impressed. The H670M-ITX boasts a compact Mini-ITX form factor, making it perfect for small form factor builds without sacrificing performance. Its sleek design and solid construction ensure that it not only performs well but also looks great in any setup. Overall, the ASRock H670M-ITX Mini-ITX motherboard is a top choice for anyone looking to build a high-performance PC. With its impressive features, robust build quality, and wide range of compatibility, it's sure to take your computing experience to the next level. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user, this motherboard has everything you need to create the ultimate PC setup. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.